Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you how I make this foaming body scrub, which is basically like a soap and body scrub all in one. So the first thing you're going to need is a bath butter, which is basically like a soap base for your body scrub. I absolutely love the texture. It's so satisfying to look at. So the first thing I'm going to do is just whip that, and then I'm going to add some oils. And then as you can see, it's starting to get a little bit softer and more cushiony and just a better consistency that you need for that body scrub. So at this stage, I've basically made my base and I've added in oils, I've added in preservatives and vitamin E oil. What you can also do is add your fragrance at this stage, but I don't usually do that because I make a big batch and then I kind of separate them into bits later on. Once that's all done, I take some amount of the base and put it in a mixer, add my sugar, and then mix it all in together. It's so satisfying to watch. I usually do about 50% of sugar to base ratio. I also like to add in my fragrance at this stage and then add in my colors. Obviously, if you're doing multiple colors, you want to separate them and do the colors separately. Then I'm just going to put them together and pipe them into the containers. This is what the watermelon one looks like. It's so pretty. I wanted the color to be more vibrant, which is what I'm going to do next time. But this still looks really, really good. And I'm so happy with it. And it smells absolutely beautiful. Make sure you check it out. Quickly showing you how I do the pink lemonade. As you can see, I have two colors here. And I'm going to basically roll them all together. And this is what the outcome looks like. So watch the next clip for that. So here I'm doing the unicorn slushy body scrub, which is so popular and smells amazing. Last but not least is the Pina Colada body scrub, which has pineapple scents and a creamy coconut base as well. And it just smells really, really good, which is what I really enjoy about making foaming body scrubs and also using them, because you know you're cleansing your skin, you're exfoliating, you're really taking care of yourself in and out, because you get like this beautiful experience and a boost of confidence afterwards. And it's like if you use a body butter on top as well, like it's just a really, really good feeling, you know, like you're taking care of your soul and your skin. So make sure you check out our other body scrubs as well. This is the final results and we have so much more on our website. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.